Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm decorating my cozy corner. So come on with me, guys. So as you can see here, I took down the fall florals and I started decorating this with the white poinsettias, and I do believe I have 2 silver picks. Alright, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignettes, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. Now, I do believe the theme is candy cane fun. So let me tell you who the co-hosts are. So participating as co-host this evening, we have Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Annalise Cupboard. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. I'm taking the tags off of these florals and then just kind of fluffing them out because they've been in one of my bins. So once I get that done, then we'll go ahead and start arranging this. I'm so excited because this will lead up to the home tour that we're hosting next month, and you really just don't want to miss it. It's called the Christmas Sparkle Home Tour, and I'll have information about that right in my community tab. So now I'm just remembering as I'm looking at these poinsettias, the picks actually did come with pine cones already on them and a little bit of greenery, which I think is really nice for $1.25. So I think that those florals came out beautiful. I always tend to lean toward the white guys. So, all right. So here we're clearing off. I cleared off already the cozy corner. So now all I'm doing is really just wiping it down, and then we'll start decorating. So now I really been into these nutcrackers, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna place one on either side of that vase. I don't know, I just love them this year. So now right here I decided to use, I took down the apple teapot that was sitting here, and I'm placing the all white set. I kind of lean toward this all white set. So we're just gonna place that there. I'm gonna go and grab the rest. Okay, so the mugs came from the Dollar Tree and they're absolutely beautiful. Then I DIY'd in a collaboration these gingerbread items, which I think are so adorable. Now I'm gonna start moving things around as I usually do to make room for the sweets and to make room for the extra stand that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. Wait till you see that one. So these are so adorable. These containers, I'm gonna place 2 of them here that have peppermints, individual, the round ones, and the actual candy cane with the peppermint spoons right on top. And then the next jar is just gonna have marshmallows because we have a tendency on adding marshmallows to our hot beverages. So that little corner there looks absolutely amazing. All right, so I filled up my favorite square jar. I absolutely love that jar. I thrifted it. It's amazing. So I filled it up with some sweets, and this is the stand I'm talking about. So I decided to place those beautiful mugs on top of this riser, which did come from the Dollar Tree. I'd never seen it there before. It's brand new. I just grabbed one, and it matches really nicely here with the theme I'm going with, which is really white and black. And then there's my cross. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my plate because I think that we should plate some of these cookies. What do you think? And of course, whatever hot goes in those mugs is going to get candy canes. Yes, so like I said, I was going to take some of those cookies out and plate them right here on this beautiful buffalo check blessed plate. Perfect. We're going to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you, and have a happy, happy, happy Thanksgiving Day. Amen.